This is tutorial 1-6 and it picks up right where 1-5 left off. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to use the select features tool, which is this one right up here. We're going to just click on that and use it, and they want us to select Texas and the 4 states surrounding it. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold the shift key down and you're going to click on each individual state. Try to avoid hitting the cities because they'll be selected too if you do. With that done, that's how you select multiple ones. If you can also click and hold, and that will also select whatever is inside the triangle. So once you do whatever you do, you can play around with it. But when you're done, you can hit the clear select features, which is the button right next to it. And as you can see, everything went back to normal. With something selected, we're just going to use the cities that they had us using. You can go up to selection options. If you want, you can actually come in here and change the color that the highlighting occurs in. I like to keep it the one that it is in. If you right click on US cities and goes to properties, if you choose this option here, you can actually choose what symbol and color is used for highlighting that shape feature. So feel free to go in there and experiment. Okay. Now there's different ways of selecting things. As you can see, if you hit on the little arrow, there's rectangle, polygon, lasso, circle, and line. First, what we're going to do before we start messing with those is we're going to the list by selection, and we're only going to want to be selecting cities. So what we're going to do is we're going to make it to where only cities is selectable, and if you just click on that, as you can see, it's no longer lit up, means we won't be able to select it, just cities, and that could be very helpful. So they want us to use the circle, so you just click, and they want us to highlight the 3 cities in Florida, so you just click, hold, expand until you have those encompassed, then just release. And as you can see over here, it actually names the cities that you've selected. So we're just going to clear that. After this, they actually have a your turn that you should go through and do. They want you to use the lasso, which is this. It works similar to the pencil feature in any kind of drawing software you've ever used. You just click and hold and draw around features that you want. With that done, you just right click on here and go down. And if you go to the selection, you go down to here, create layer from selected features. And as you can see, now we have a feature that is just Texas cities. And you can go in and rename that if you want. This can be very helpful when you have to compare different cities and you want to have different shapes or colors or symbols. And that is it for tutorial 1-6.